Hi, and welcome to Grandad and Enfield. I don't know if you've seen my Ballycotton video, but I was using the Neo. The phone goes on top of the controller. It's a good little drone. It got me started. I'd never used a drone before. So I decided that I bought this one instead off a Chinese site. I think it was about €40, and it's the most €40 I've ever spent. There's no control in it. He just does his own thing. Now the controller looks nice and everything on the screen, but no, it's not. I wouldn't be wasting my €40 on that, regardless, even for a child. It comes on to the Neo. Now the price of the Neo was €303 in total. With that includes the 38 2-year warranty on the replacements and stuff, so that was that. So I've gone up to the flip with the screen. Now that came with 3 batteries, the controller, a charging port, a bag and a backpack. Now the original price for that was all in €867. So I was just doing research for this. I bought it Tuesday, it arrived on Thursday. So I was just doing research for this to make sure I got the right price. So I went on the site and like I say, I paid €867 with the $79 for the warranty. I went onto the site and next fall it was reduced from, it was $784 without the warranty, as far as I can remember. Yeah, 700, no, sorry. It was 867, I'll do the maths and put it up after. But I went onto the site Friday to just double check the prices, and next fall it was down by €120. That was 3 days after I bought it. So I mean, there's not a lot you can do, as they say, but there is, because it was 3 days after I bought it. I have a 30-day right to return. Everyone has that. So I got on to the DJI and said it to them, and they said, oh yeah, we understand it's been reduced in your region, island, and we'll see what we can do. So they got back to me and they said they can give me €120 store credit. So I thought about it and I said, I just after buying the drone, I don't really need any more store credit. So I got on to them and said, look, I'll just return it and I'll go to my local store and buy it for €120 cheaper, and you can give me a full refund. So they actually gave me the full refund of €120. So if you're in the same boat as me or similar, it's worth firing off an email and see what happens. So anyhow, however income, this is a total piece of rubbish. I was going to try and get filming from it, but there's no way of controlling it. It moves around as if there's a hurricane blowing when there's no wind at all. The camera, I know it's cheap, but the camera is, you have to set the lens on the camera before you start flying. I've had this for 18 months now, I think. I kind of didn't use it at the start, but I got good use out of it, and it's easy to control. It's a good beginner drone. That, like I say, came with 3 batteries, charger, and a case, and that was €303. So this is what I use. I'm filming with one of the cameras now, and I'm filming with one of the cameras now, so, and the mic, so that's my DJI camera setup. And then this, like I say, 867 isn't peanuts. You don't have to tell me that, but we'll go take a flight with it. And if you'd like to compare, I think the best one I done with the drones was Ballycotton. So if you'd like to compare that to this footage, we'll put this footage up now and do a first flight. So stay tuned. Thanks.